Question: have you ever experienced the relationship when one side is trying to pull away slowly? What if I tell you there's a way to attract other side to contact you automatically? If you have this mental block, then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to show you 3 common mistakes and how can we reverse it to rebuild your relationship, strengthen your relationship by restore your mindset. This is the tip from Dating Coaching's ideas. Let's start it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm PK John T. I'm the pastor kid, grew up in the church, and now I'm a life coach from the Universe Academy. This channel is all about help you to discover your purpose in life by satisfying your wealth, relationship, health, and dream. Stick around until the end. I'm going to show you 3 tips grounded in the Bibles that will help you to restore your mindset and rebuild your relationship. Number 1 mistake: ignoring communication. Have you ever wondered why my partner is not replying to my call? Why my partner is not replying my message? If I'm telling you there is a way to reverse the situation by restoring your mindset. What do you mean by that? You must ask him. Let me share a little script from the Bible. In James chapter 1:19, it teaches us the importance of being quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. When communication breaks down, let's issue faster. It's telling us become a good listener is more important to become a good speaker. When you try to communicate, you push a lot of the information out. This is also the energy that you are telling the world, telling the people around you, I'm pushing you away. If you open up the situation and change your mindset by saying, okay, I'm going to become a good listener. This is the shift of the energy, telling the world, telling the people around you, come back. I'm going to be a good listener. By opening up your mindset, respect space to each other is also very important. The act will not only help you to avoid a mistake by pushing too hard, but it will let the energy work in a positive way to attract your partner back to you. This is the magic way to rebuild your communication when your partner is trying to ignore you. Mistake number 2, assuming the worst. Have you ever assumed the worst outcome before it ever happened? What if I'm telling you assuming can be reprogrammed? Let's see the real story. During the public struggling, there's a 2 celebrity. Their situation has been assumption by the public, assumption by the media. So this will reflect their relationship. How bad the assumption is going to be cause the outcome. It all depends how you think. But by reprogram your mindset, you are going to reverse the situation. How are we going to do that? Emotion is the key in the reprogramming stage. In order to reverse the assumption, you will need to shift your focus from the bad emotion to the good emotion. How are we going to do that? It's very simple. Accept the reality. Once you accept the reality, your mind will have the space to focus on the possibility and the solution. The key here is to pull out your emotion. Reprogramming is very easy by pulling out your emotion by accept reality. Your mindset will free up with all the possibility and solutions. Mistake number 3, neglecting self-care. Have you ever eaten a ton of the food to make you feel a little bit better from the relationship? Or if I can tell you there is a better way to do that, treat yourself like a king or a queen. Whoa, are you seriously? Of course, this is the energy. Whatever you give, whatever you receive. The more you love yourself, more people will love you. Prioritize your self-care as a means of attract positive energy. By nurturing yourself, you create a new emotion, a new expectation. This is very simple. When you see yourself in the mirror, tell yourself, I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Loving yourself more, your energy will be spraying out like a radius. That means your partner will be attracted back to love you. Avoiding the mistake is not going to be enough. Only you begin to take action, but accept the reality with open mindset, with respect each other's personal space. Pour your emotion out from your mind so you can focus on the positivity and the solution, and creating the new expectation by love yourself like a king or a queen. This will be your best study coaching ideas you will ever apply. If you are feel stuck, struggling to restore your emotional mindset, I would love to offer you a free live coaching section. Just leave the comment below with +1. If this message have enlightened you, please give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and click subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will never miss out the new contents. This is PK John T. I will catch you in the next video. Take care and stay love yourself. Bye.